E. coli, O157 H7 is a pathogenic strain of E. coli known for causing severe gastrointestinal illness in humans through consumption of contaminated and raw food, including raw milk and undercooked ground beef. This bacterium is notable for producing a potent toxin called Shiga toxin, which is responsible for the characteristic symptoms associated with E. coli, O157 H7 infection. Clinical presentation. Patients infected with E. coli, O157 H7 typically exhibit symptoms like bloody diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and occasionally fever. In severe cases, the infection can progress to hemolytic uremic syndrome, HUS, a serious condition characterized by hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, and acute kidney injury. Diagnosis. Diagnosing E. coli, O157 H7 infection involves obtaining a stool sample for culture and testing for the presence of Shiga toxin. Serologic testing may also be used to detect antibodies against the bacterium. Treatment. The management of E. coli, O157 H7 infection primarily involves supportive care, including fluid replacement and close monitoring for complications like HUS. It is crucial to note that antibiotics are generally not recommended as they may increase the risk of developing HUS. Prevention. Preventing E. coli, O157 H7 infection requires practicing good hygiene, ensuring thorough cooking of meat, and avoiding unpasteurized dairy products. Public health measures, such as stringent food safety regulations, play a vital role in preventing outbreaks of this pathogen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscription button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section.